Today we're diving into the Aqua 3 Air, a sleek Micro ATX case designed for optimal performance and style. This case supports MATX and ITX motherboards and features a vertical airflow design with 3 pre-installed 120mm non-PWM fans to keep your system cool and efficient. The panoramic design offers a stunning 270-degree view through tempered glass panels, showcasing your hardware with diamond-cut angles for a unique visual effect. Connectivity is a breeze with a multi-functional zone that includes 2 USB 3.0 ports, audio jacks, and a lightning-fast Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 interface for seamless data transfer and device connections. The case's 1.2mm steel mesh design optimizes heat dissipation while providing excellent dust resistance, and the advanced tool-free quick-release panels make maintenance a snap. With support for graphics cards up to 320mm and CPU coolers up to 164mm, including compatibility with the 4070 GPU, this case is perfect for gamers and creators alike. Plus, magnetic dust filters on the top and bottom ensure easy cleaning and maintain optimal airflow, making the Aqua 3 Air a top choice for your next PC build.